Krista, how you doing? I like your style. I really like your hand lettering a lot. Boy, I tell you something, that is so valuable. Keep working that, develop that. That's going to come in really handy in your design career. Just take a look at some of the videos we've been looking at. Look at Paula Shear. Look at all of the designers we've talked about have wonderful hand skills. So develop that. Don't ever stop drawing by hand, ever. Okay, these are great. I love the fact that you gave us a front and back cover. That's really cool. Um, and then, so we jump in here now. One thing, you know what? The intent is here. Everything's awesome. I don't really have anything to say. You know what you're doing. I do have a couple comments though, and this is really going to come in handy when you turn to transition to um, digital. Okay, look at your grid. Okay, okay. So if you're going to start your grid, you got to keep your grid consistent from page to page. Once you set your grid, that's it. It goes on every single page. Okay, there's two different grids. These are the same, but they're different than the first page. This one's different altogether. And then this one's back to, I think, the first page. So, and then this is a 4x5, 4x4. Okay, so get that consistent and stick with it. When you start placing items in Illustrator, you're going to flip out at how cool it is when your grid is consistent from page to page. Next thing I want to recommend on the grid is this, is that once you draw your page spread, okay, then just do this. You'll draw an inside, instead of drawing your grid all the way to the corner, don't do that. Give yourself a margin, okay? Let's say an inch margin, okay? Then draw a rectangle on the inside of the page, then start your grid on that. So you're actually gridding to the margin, not the page. Okay, if you want to grid to the page, that's fine too, but make sure that each of these modules is a consistent size. Okay, that's just really, really important. Okay, so, I mean, I kind of think you know what I'm talking about because you're doing it right here. That's basically your playing area on each page. So you're gridding to the margin here and here. So I think you know what I'm talking about. But that's my only comment, is that just get these grids really straight and solid when you set up in InDesign. But I'm really looking forward. Are you going to hand illustrate this? I'm psyched, man. You're definitely, I hope you're going to hand letter all that stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, any questions, please feel free to give me a holler. Thanks.